Oh, recording. Hello, everybody. Okay, Shay and I are working outside at my house on the choreography for Warts and All. So we're going to start by just kind of talking you through a few steps, and then we will kind of run the whole thing. And I need you guys to practice this at home because it's going to be very hard to practice on Zoom. Hopefully you can hear me. My neighbor is teaching his kid to ride a bicycle, so there might be some yelling. He's not very good yet. All right. Okay, so going from when all the frogs come in. So you run on stage on somewhere out there, we don't know where, someone will clean air. Do that again, everybody. So it goes slap, slap, here, care. Here, they're gonna love your then warts and all. So your arms go out like this and your foot goes out, warts and all. And you can pick which side you want to be on because right now it doesn't matter. And then we skip in a circle because this is where the frog and the ugly duckling are. So we have somewhere out there, we don't know where. Then spin out. Someone is going to fall for you. So going over that, that's a skip. Then you spin out. Someone will fall for you. And then while the frog sings, and they're just kind of in the middle, we're just kind of bouncing back and forth until they say, soon you'll be roosting. Soon you'll be roosting.
And then we make a straight line behind Ugly and the Frog.
So walking to our line. Da 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 da.
You know
Spin
you're
out.
gonna have a fall.
All right, so we're gonna run that much of it real quick with music. I'm gonna pause it if I can. Is that how I do that? I'm just gonna let you, I'm gonna try this. Here we go. Skipping in.
Somewhere out there, we don't know where. Someone will care. They're gonna love your warts and all. Somewhere out there, we can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
Judy, say hi.
Soon you'll be roosting.
All right.
Straight line.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Great. Okay, so now after that part, I'm gonna keep going. We're going to, out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. We're going to get into a line. Out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. Then you put your hands on the back of the person in front of you. Now, we're gonna step our feet back so you can see our feet. Okay, so you go heels, toes, the other way. Toes, heels, heels. Do that again. Heels, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Then you go tap your foot, here, warts and all. Got that? So after you do the heels, toes, you go tap your foot together.
They're gonna love you. Warts and
Now
all.
we're gonna do a little jump, going forward or backward, whatever, if you're a one or a two. So I'll do one. One, jump, one, jump. And then we talk about cuddle, run it. Ginny, watch out.
We come into her and we say,
Run.
someone needs a cuddle.
Someone needs a cuddle, though the chance is small. It's true. Then
we move into a big, we're in a big clump already. And then we do right foot, left foot, repeat. Right foot, left foot. Great. And then we move into.
No, we have one more step after that.
Oh, we just move, we
We
separate
did
out
like
like this.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, run.
Bum, bum, bum. With a mate soon you'll be roosting.
Good. All right. So we're gonna leave this going, and we're gonna start from that same place that we just dropped off. June, you wanna say hi there? Everybody's gonna see this.
This is the top of the kick line. When we
She's
get
trying to get her tooth loose enough to pull it out. Heels, toes,
heels, toes. Tap your right.
two. I'm one. Two. Two. Running into the puddle. And then get ready to do your heel. Heel, heel, heel. Running to lead, running, spreading out. Good. Then we do this thing, right? Yep. Great. So now what we're gonna do, here, pause it. Okay. So after we do, soon you'll be roosting. What do we do with our hands? We got them here?
Put them here.
Okay, so you're gonna go. We're stepping into a line. I'm gonna stay far back here so you can see us. We're gonna go, here, you go on your tummy. I'm gonna make sure we got you. Go. Ball, and we kick our feet on.
Ball, 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 ball,
Then we-
ball, ball. Cause out
There somewhere someone's gonna love you. The soloist jumps up. Out there somewhere someone's gonna love you. Then we have out there, we spread out.
we all look for the person that you're gonna find. Out
there, someone's gonna love you. Is that the right words?
someone's gonna
Love you.
No.
That's not the right words. Dang it. I'm gonna pause it right there. All right, so we're gonna back up a little bit to the kick part. So after you did, though the chance is small, it's true. You do heel, bend over with it, heel, heel, heel. Then you spread out, dun, 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 dun. Soon you'll be roosting. Soon you'll be roosting.
Then you
put
walk.
your hands here. Walk, 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 walk. Soon you're gonna have a ball. You're gonna have a ball, 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 ball.
Out there somewhere
Someone's gonna love you.
Out there somewhere someone's
Now
gonna
we're all
love
looking
ya.
and we go, out there somewhere someone's gonna love you. Now this is hard. Did you get it, June?
Ooh. Ugh, we have a loose tooth.
So now you go. What do we do?
Ba-ba-da-ba-da.
So do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you go out and
Out into in. Bum.
out. But did I do it right?
You go up and over.
Up and up. Ready?
Up and over.
Dun, 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 dun. Then out, cross. Out,
Cross.
turn, cross. Let's do that again. June, stop. It's recording. June.
Just wanted to
Parents,
show
if
you
you're
what
watching this, you totally know what it's like to work and have your kids with you. It's like the classic example. So we're looking out there somewhere. Someone's gonna love your bum.
Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, ba-da-da-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum.
Warts,
Warts
and
and
now you're gonna go kick, 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 stop. Kick, 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 stop.
Kick,
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
run to the
Run.
middle, and arms.
That's it.
Let's go over that one more time. So from the kick part is kind of hard. So you kick in front, to the side, in front, step on it. In front, to the side, in front, and on
And 8 kicks. 1,
Kick,
2,
kick,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Running into the middle, and hose. All right, sorry, please. Okay.
This is from the foot up.
Oh, from the foot.
No.
Oh, that was going to the line. Heel. Thank you, June. Run to your lines.
Help yourself.
Walk to your. Walk. Sorry, baby. You can go inside on your tummy. Junie, move.
Out there somewhere. Then we look for our friend.
Travel as much as you want to. Get ready.
Bump, body. Up and over.
Ooh, sorry, did the wrong.
Out. Cross. This is the kick.
Run, stop, run, and stop. Run, stop, kick. Run. Okay. Now we're gonna try to do the whole thing. Okay, we're gonna attempt to run through the whole thing even the part that the frog does. It might be a little different than somebody rehearsed in class. What's going to be mostly important is that you're acting it. So if you're playing the frog, just go with it.
That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words, one day, ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly hat will pass. Then those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their ass. You know what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing.
Hold hands.
So just you wait and see. The day will come when you're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner. In a
Grab hands, spin, full circle, right?
for you. Though I may look a bit Jurassic, trust me, I'm a classic in my pond. If it's so rock and roll, we're ruined time. You had to wake up all, 'cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. Once and all.
Now we're the little frogs.
It's
Somewhere out there,
Little frogs coming on.
we don't know where. Someone will care. They're gonna love your words.
Skipping in a circle.
Somewhere out there, we can say
Spinning out.
someone is gonna fall for you.
Bouncing. Do you need to sing frog?
one day you'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Straight line.
Oh, it may take some time to find a friend.
Behind frog.
It's a straight line. We make our kick line. And our hands go back.
Heel toe first. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Toe, heel. Slap your foot. Ready?
Right, right, left.
Feet together. Jumps. I'm 1.
2, 2, 2. We go
Ready
cuddle.
again. Small. Heels.
Right.
Whenever you need boosting,
We spread out.
one day you'll be
Stay low.
roosting with a mate.
Soon you'll be
Walk to your line.
It may take some time to find a friend. You do
On your tummy.
Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you.
Looking. Get ready to slap your hands. Out to in. Kicks. Front, side, front. Together. Front, side, front. Kick.
Run, 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 run. Pose.
All right.
Can I see?
Your afternoon entertainment, along with at least a dozen of my neighbors, have enjoyed 2 38-year-old, 40-year-old women
Social distancing in the front yard.
dancing to a children's song. Have a good day.